Okay, you talk say how you wan take know wetin dey sup for BTC. You get point but the point no work. Fine, make I tell you one thing. You fit be boss for technical analysis, you fit be boss for dis thing wey be sey you sabi analyse chart, you sabi everything about candlestick, but make I let you know one thing. If you no dey more fundamental, dis fundamental mean sey make you dey hear news of wetin dey sup around all the financial market. If you no dey more of dis fundamental, your technical analysis na rubbish. Shey you get point? Fine, you fit good for technical analysis, shey you get, but at times the news wey dey sup around the financial market na im dey control the market most to know whether dis market go go up or go drop down. The reason be sey, one, if news come from government wey dem talk about something, maybe inflation or so, people go wan say stay safe to save their money. Shey you get the point? To save their money, because dem believe sey anything wey come from government na issue be that. So some people go wan dey safe to save their money. You fit dey expert for technical analysis, but most important, fundamental dey very 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 important. I no go lie for you, because most of the time na dis news dey make market scatter. You fit analyse your trade well, make one news come now make e scatter everything. Shey you get the point? So if you really wan know wetin dey sup for Bitcoin, try dey lis ten to news before you enter your chart. Try do research of which update dey now, which whale sell coin recently now, which exchange get issue with government now. Shey you dey get my point now? So if market wan go up again, na through dis news you go still know sey okay, hope don dey for market. Shey you dey get the point? So try dey do more of fundamental, try dey lis ten to news, try dey follow up with anything wey you dey invest on. And again, anything wey happen to stock market, go find one way affect crypto market. Shey you get the point? You go find one way affect crypto market. So the best way wey be sey you fit know wetin dey sup around Bitcoin na to dey follow news of wetin dey sup. Shey you get the point now? So many ways dey to know wetin dey sup around BTC. If you no dey follow news, your technical analysis na rubbish. I no fit lie for you, na rubbish. So try dey follow news. Na dis news you go know maybe dis trade wey I wan analyse, maybe e go go up or e go drop down. Shey people dey buy or people dey sell. Shey you get the point now? So the reason why I reply dis thing na make you no mislead those people wey no sabi and those wey wan learn, so that dem go fit understand wetin dis thing really dey about. You get the point now? Thank you.